Alright, try to do a quick video. I set up the client's key. Wait, oh, I don't want to expose my thing. The GitHub one, I'll do after. I just want to see if I could get Google working. But regardless, anyways, welcome to 102, day 102. So probably very short video because I'm starting this late and I have to go to class soon. So, and I have no idea how to do this. I think I have to like set up some better routing systems, or like a better routing with Go. Like I know there's like Gorilla and Chi. Maybe I should have done this too, because it also sets up a database. Should I just do that? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna scrap the. Damn, all this work is gonna go away. I might just do a Go blueprint. I wanna try it. What is this thing? I like his. It's like a Next.js feel, which I'm kind of used to. Wow. Postgres, Mongo, Redis. Wow. Like all the database configuring. That's super cool. Should I switch to this? Or should I keep it very simple? Nah, let's keep it simple for now. No need for everything else. I'll see if I can try to make it work. I know he said to download Gorilla Sessions. I might try that.
And just put Google secret.
We'll get that going, and then
As an example folder, it has one file called main.go that's going to list everything you need to actually organize and run file here, auth.go file, and we instantiate it in our main.go file over in cmd/API right variable, which basically declares v Google of key, our hashing key, which is back on line 14. To load up our Go. I'm going to open up this project, and there you go. Now we have a complete spun up Go application ready for us to use. All right, now we have that set up. We're going to have to actually install our Goth. Just press enter, and there you go. It adds the package for us. It adds an additional Google protobuf, everything it needs to run successfully. There's the auth.go package as well. And one more is we're going to need the GitHub Gorilla Sessions to
go get Gorilla Sessions. Okay. Go get github.com/gorilla sessions. Is that it? Gorilla Sessions. Yeah, there you go. Is it Mux? github.com/gorilla sessions. Go mod tidy. I did this wrong? Okay, works. Yep, it works. Okay.
go ahead and do go get github.com/gorilla/sessions. So after we installed Gorilla Sessions, we basically have everything we need to start coding and actually getting this to run. But just before we start, I want to share one thing, and this should be auth. I'm gonna go and create a new auth.go file. Just gonna Google.
Yep, I got that.
File. The next thing that we need to
what is this?
which I showed at the beginning.
Oh yeah. This is the I need to make a key random string. Oh, I don't know.
Application.
Okay, so store. So where to store these sessions? Store.sessions equals or store equals sessions dot new cookie store and then key. What is this key? What does that mean? Is it just, what am I supposed to put here? Let's read the documentation for that. Okay, new cookie store returns to cookie store. Keys are defined in pairs to allow key rotation, but the common case is set a single authentication key, optionally an encryption key. The first key is a pair is used for authentication and the second for encryption. The encryption key be set to nil or omitted in the last pair, but the authentication key is required in all pairs. To use an authentication key with what is how to make a authentication key. Brother. Wait, where is this from? What? Oh, I need to download that. Nice. We can just put that in there. Oh. Int. It says. What was it? What did I need to put? 32 byte long. Wait, what was the recommended? This. No, it was. $32. Let's try 32. Alright, done. Once we do that, we store the max age. Store dot I don't know. What is that? 864. Is that like a that looks like a very familiar number. 86400 times 30. I don't know if exposing this is dangerous. Doesn't matter. It's not like anybody's gonna. I mean, you guys. If someone hacks my shit, I guess it's could, but whatever.
To accept OAuth connections. In this example, we're going to use Google. So we're going to do goth.use provider.
Store the options path. Okay, store. What do these do though? Default configuration.
First, we're going to paste in our google.new.
Store.http only. HTTP only. True. I don't know what are they like just setting some config up. I'll make it secure. Let's say false for now because it's not prod. Is secured. Alright, so secure. And then gothic.store. Goth.store. Man, am I even using this right? I'm saying, why is he using gothic?
Google client. We're gonna do sessions from now is bring in our gothic package here. So gothic.
Oh, the gothic. Okay. Gothic.store.
And then here we're actually going to provide the list of providers that we want our application to accept OAuth connections. In this example, we're going to use Google. So we're going to do goth.use providers. And we're going to paste in our google.new with our Google client ID, our Google client secret, and the callback for our redirect. And this has to be the exact same thing when you create it in your Google client API page, which I showed at the beginning of this video. All right, so now that we have our providers running in Gothic and we're going to instantiate it with our new auth in our main.go file, the next thing that we need to do is actually grab these 3 routes from the example from main.go from the Goth repository. What these 3 are responsible for is actually the callback that triggers the handshake between Goth and the OAuth provider or whatever provider you choose to use. And then obviously this is the logout path here. Now, because I'm using Qi as a middleware, when I ran my project at the beginning with Go Blueprint, there's going to be something that you're going to need to include if you want to use Qi in your project. The example they have here simply uses templating. So they just write HTML and they generate from their server. I want to use Qi as just my backend router in Go, and then I'm going to spin up a Vite React app on the front end. All right, so let's go ahead and write this one out. So I'm going to write out the main callback function, but the other ones I'm just going to paste in just to save time here. We're going to call our first function get auth callback function. Doesn't really matter what you name it. It's going to take our classic HTTP response writer and our HTTP request, and then we're going to just
Okay, I get it. I'll do that after. I think that's a decent setup. I'll probably do this off video, but I have to go to class soon. So sorry for the short video. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's video. Peace.